I'm on day 2 of my solo camping trip at Devil's Lake on the Oregon coast. I kicked this episode off by heading to the beach for a post-breakfast stroll, a quick stop by the lake to check out the fishing conditions, and back to camp to cook dinner and take it easy before my big hike the next morning. Stick around as I end my trip at my favorite spooky coastal forest. If you're new here, I'm Tori, and I'm chasing my wild here in the Pacific Northwest. How much do you think that weighs? That's cool. Okay, this is dinner tonight. Pad Thai with chicken. Let's see how this one looks. Here's what it looks like before I put water in it. I think we have ourselves another winner. It's pretty good. Also, a special shout out to Dave. If you're watching, I bought myself a spoon with a long handle so I can actually eat my backpacking meals without any trouble. So thank you. Looking for a really good, easy breakfast. This is perfect. My sister-in-law gave this to me when I was up there visiting them in Cannon Beach. I saved it for the perfect time. Thanks, Melissa. There's real chunks of apple in this. It is so good. Yum. It is so peaceful here. You never know that you're in the middle of a city on the coast. Thank you so much for joining me on this camping trip to the Oregon coast. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Until then, go chase your own wild.